up, guys? This is Mike Jones from Mike Jones Studios. Welcome back to another video. Alright, so today we're going to take a look at some cubes I got. I thought it was only going to be 2 cubes, but no, it's actually 12. I got it for like $10 in this website called Oriental Trading, and they were Halloween cubes. They're mini cubes, and instead of getting 2 on the magazine, I got 12. Look, 3 to 4 is 12. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Alright, just wanted to show you. I thought they're pretty cool. Alright, and they're in pumpkins, so let's open it. I thought they were pretty cool. That's why I got them. And then, so yeah, I thought they were pretty cool. And so I thought they'd be cool to have. I thought it was only going to come with 2, but no. It came with 12. Again, Oriental Trading. This is where I got this from. And, pretty cool. I mean, they got cheap stuff. They got good prices. You get pretty good deals. And it's all free shipping. I got this online. Alright. Alright, so yeah. Let's take a look at all these cubes. 1, 2, 3. I did not expect to be this many cubes. Just gonna open one up for now. Got this only for like $10. All these cubes for $10. Well, they're tiny cubes. I'll try moving the cube. Should help a little bit. Yeah, hold on a minute. I managed to get it open. See, I can move it now. I'll say it's pretty cool. Reminds me a little bit of the gear cube. Whoa, checkerboards looks also really weird. Put it back. This looks cool. That's cool right there. Let me put it back. That's the problem with these small cubes. They're just really tight. But, I mean, I get with this. I needed these for my magic set. I mean, the cubes that they give me, there's in my magic set in one of my other videos, of Rubik's Cube magic stuff. Remember where I showed you cool new Rubik's Cube stuff, and there was the magic set. Yeah, I needed these cubes for that set, and I thought there was only going to be 2, but no, it's 12. I'm going to open all 12 now. Alright guys, so yeah, we're coming close to the end of the video. So I opened all 12. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, now watch this. I'm going to make something really, really cool out of these. Watch. Just to end the video. I made a giant 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube. Hold on. Alright guys, so yeah. That's almost it for today. Just want to see how big this thing could get. Okay, so made a 2x2. Let's see how much water I could get. Let's see if we can make what I think I can do. See if we can make a 2x3. 2x3. 2x2x3. Okay, this goes like that. Hey guys, we did it. We made a 2x2x3. It's a tower. It's one of those towers. Hey, we did it. Yay! Alright guys, thanks for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like and no dislikes. And I will see you next video. Alright guys, goodbye. Hope you enjoyed Halloween cubes. And I got a special surprise for Halloween when it comes time. So get ready. It's in a couple weeks. So, yahoo!